Welcome to ABC Tracker. This tutorial covers the first half of video tracking using the ABC Tracker program. Upon opening up the program, you will have several options to choose from. There are options to continue working on an existing project, creating a new project, and accessing the settings. However, for this tutorial, let's create a new project. After clicking the Create a Tracking Process button, you will be asked to upload a video file. This program specifically uses an MP4 video file, but if you have a different video format, do not worry. Upload your video and the program can internally convert the video file to an MP4 format. On this page, the video details are shown. We suggest keeping the ending frame 5,000 frames or less. After the file has been uploaded and converted, click Create Process to move on to the next step. The next step asks whether or not the objects move throughout the entire space in the video. If the objects are confined within a space where the perimeter is entirely visible in the video, you can click on the corners of the perimeter to crop unnecessary sections out. Once you are finished with outlining the borders, click Fill Area to generate your new space. However, if objects move through the entire space, feel free to directly press Track Entire Image. Then, we will also ask you whether your objects will move in or out of the frame of the video. Answer accordingly and click Continue. If yes, we will automatically create a border for the edge of the video. Unless the border is incorrect, feel free to adjust the border manually. Click Continue to move on. The next step is what we call object marking. In this step, we select 4 frames in multiple parts of the provided video. In those 4 frames, you will need to manually mark all of the objects so that the program knows what objects it needs to track. To make the screen bigger, feel free to click the checklist bar on the right and double-click the top bar. In this step, all you have to do is click on each object in 3 different parts of the object. The size of the brush can be adjusted using the brush size bar, located in the bottom panel, or by scrolling up and down the mouse wheel. It is imperative to the precision of the tracking that you make sure that the head, body, and tail are inside of the blue marks, while keeping the blue marks outside the body to a minimum. This is a good example. And here are a few bad ones. If you need to erase, right-clicking will reset the most recent change in markings. Pulling up a copy of the actual video next to this program can help you discern the correct objects to mark. Click Continue to move on to the next frame. After you are done with the 4 frames provided, your next step will be to click the Run Tracking button in order to track the entire video. Thanks for watching the first tutorial. If you are in the middle of the program and are stuck on what to do, we have provided instructions inside of the program along every step of the way. Also, the program automatically saves the progress, so you do not need to worry about saving the files over and over again. The next few tutorials will cover error correction, an editing tool provided after the tracking is complete to increase the precision of the tracking. Thanks for watching.